Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a resignation letter. What is a resignation letter? A resignation is the act of leaving your job. A resignation letter expresses your intention to leave the company you currently work for. And today, Writing Practices will show you how to write a resignation letter step by step. First of all, write the date today. In this case is January 5, 2023. And then, write the details about the recipient. You need to write the full name, the position in the company, and the company name as well as the address. For the address, you can mention the street name, the city, the state, and the zip code as well. Now, you can open the letter with Dear Sir, or Respected Sir, or to and followed by the name. You can choose one that you like the most, all of them are formal. In the first paragraph, tell the recipient that you want to resign from your current job. Mention your position in the company, and the date that will be the last day you work. Remember, every company has its own regulation about resignation. Some require 2 weeks before, and some with 1 month or even 3 months. Just follow the regulation in your company. In the second paragraph, say how thankful you are for the opportunities given to you by the company. No matter how much you want to resign, you need to be polite. Tell the recipient that you learn and grow a lot from the company. Write good things only about your current job. And the last paragraph, you need to tell the recipient that you are willing to help in the process of responsibility transition. And don't forget to thank them. Now, you may close your 2 weeks notice or resignation letter with best regards or sincerely. Add your signature and full name. So, that's how you write a resignation letter. Remember, quitting from the company doesn't mean you don't need them in the future. You may still need them to make your recommendation letter for your future job and so on. So, maintain good relationship with your current company. See you.